Hi everyone, it's Tita Chinita and today we're going to talk about our smart living room. So this is part 2 of the video series Our Smart Home, where I teach you tips and hacks on how you can make your homes work smart for you. So we started with the kitchen episode last week. If you haven't seen the episode yet, you can click here. So this is our living room. It's technically not a room, it's a space. It's an area within a bigger room. But for convention's sake, we'll call it living room. And today we're going to talk about multi-purpose furnitures, utilizing vertical spaces, and some electronics towards the end of the video. So first on our list is, wait for it, sofa bed. I know it's not the most novel idea, but hear me out. It's on the list for the following reasons. 1, all our bedrooms are upstairs. So what if yung guest mo, yung visitors mo, are not able to climb stairs? 2, what if kami mismo, we're put in a position or a condition where we're told, oh, wag ka muna mag-aakyat ng hagdan. 3, gagastos ka na rin lang on a sofa, di might as well yung mas marami ng utility. Even though mas costly yung sofa bed over a regular sofa, if you divide that amount with the number of functions, mas makakasulit ka pa rin dun sa multi-purpose. And there are even sofa beds with built-in storage. So yun, mas value for money talaga. So in our case, we opted for the sofa bed without storage kasi mas bulky yung may storage eh. And here in our space, we wanted to reuse some furnitures that we've already had from way back. Which brings us to point 2. This is a bench for additional seating. So para kapag pwede na tayo mag-party. But wait, there's more. This is also a storage unit. So remember when I said compact yung kitchen namin, medyo limited yung storage. So we really had to think of creative solutions for all our kitchen items. And may I say, madami talaga kaming kitchen items. So currently, this holds all my baking pans, cake decorating tools, and cupcake liners. So everything baking. Next on our list is our sanitation station. So ito yung pinakamalapit sa front door para pagpasok mo pa lang, makakapag-sanitize ka na. So we have here alcohol and bleach in spray bottles. We also have a box that holds all our face masks. This is how we organize our face shields. So shinare lang to sa home buddies. Yung pang-organize ng plates, ginamit natin to organize the face shields. So next up is our TV stand. So as much as gusto kong nakamount sa wall yung TV namin, that's for a future project. So for now, nakapatong muna siya dito sa TV stand. But because it's on wheels, yung gusto kong ma-achieve dun sa TV bracket na natitilt, nasiswivel yung TV to face other directions, na-achieve naman dito sa TV stand na to. Next on our list is this table. So, di ba magpasok mo ng front door, living room agad. So, wala kaming entryway where you would normally dump all your things na ginamit mo galing labas. So, I wanted to dedicate a space na, dito lang tayo maglalagay ng kalat, ng clutter. So, ito yon. Meron lang decor dun sa dulo. But this space, dyan kami naglalagay ng mga bags, wallets, cellphones. So, at least that way, contain yung clutter. So, if you notice, itong table na to, itong TV stand, and yung table ng sanitation station, pare-pareho siya ng finish, pare-pareho siya ng color. It's because this is actually a 3-in-1 desk. And repurpose siya kasi if you look at the website, sa office furniture mo siya makikita, hindi sa living room. So this is actually designed as a desk. So isa to dun sa mga what-if situations, same with the sofa bed. So what if nandun nga tayo sa situation or condition na hindi mo na kami pwedeng umakyat. So at least meron pa rin akong work area na magagamit dito sa baba. And since nesting table siya, meaning yung smaller tables can go under the bigger table, this can also serve as a buffet area. I'm thinking for desserts, for finger foods, coffee, yung mga food na hindi mo naman kailangan kainin on the dining table. Our next idea is, no coffee table? No problem. When your space is limited, you have to be smart with how you lay your furniture out. And sometimes you have to prioritize. So in our case, it was a choice between having a coffee table or having a wider walkway. So syempre dun kami sa wider walkway. And just because we don't have the coffee table doesn't mean we don't have that function. So meet our plank. And ito, ipapatong lang namin siya either sa ottoman or sa sofa mismo. And we put here drinks, snacks. And if you don't need it, it also serves as decor. So let's move on to utilizing vertical space. So kung yung room nyo medyo maliit, one way para magmukhang mas malaki yung room is by using your vertical space. So hang wall art or hang your curtains high or install hanging shelves. So what this does is, because may mga gamit sa walls nyo, it forces your eyes to move upwards, thus tricking your brain to think na mas malaki yung space. So dito sa bahay, gamit na gamit namin yung vertical space. Marami kaming hanging shelves. This is mostly where we put decorative items. Moving on to electronics, let's start with our electric fan. So since elongated tong room, in order to save money and kuryente, we opted to buy this double-headed electric fan para both sides, yung living room and yung dining room, nahahanginan with just one fan. So hindi siya ganun ka-aesthetically appealing, but function-wise, this is the best choice for this layout. Our next item is this Mi Box. So yung TV namin, parang almost 10 years na siya. So obviously, it's not a smart TV. And it's fine with watch ABS-CBN, but then, nag-shut down. So fortunately, kumuha yung brother-in-law ko ng family subscription to Netflix. And we'd watch it through our phones. Until na-decide na namin na kumuha nitong Mi Box. So game changer, ang saya manood ng Netflix sa malaking TV. So this device turned my 10-year-old LCD TV into a smart TV. So if that ain't smart, I don't know what is. Our last item, yay, last na. Our last item is this laptop power bank. So ito, binili kasi siya ni Charlie, yung husband ko, pang site. Kasi lagi silang pumupunta sa sites, tapos kailangan niyang gamitin yung laptop niya. So this would power his laptop. But then, nagpalit siya ng laptop and mas mataas na yung requirement. So hindi na niya magamit tong power bank na to. So one time, nag-brown out dito sa bahay and we thought, sige, try nating isaksak yung Wi-Fi router dito sa power bank. And it worked. So, even if walang kuryente, may Wi-Fi kami. So, those are 10 tips on how you can have a smart living room. Sound off in the comment section if you find these tips useful or if na-apply nyo ba sa sarili nyong mga sala. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll talk about our smart dining room. That will be the last part because after this series, we're moving on to home makeovers. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! So obviously, itong tatlong areas pa lang na to yung natapos nating ayusin talaga.